using the regression equation for forecasting. Suppose advertising expenditure is 12 units. Supposing advertising expenditure is 12 units. Now we want to forecast. So what will you do? You substitute. I want to see that substitution. So y is 4.6 plus 30. So our y is 34.6. So the predicted sales units. So regression lines, another heading. Regression lines. Regression lines. There are two regression lines. We have two of them. We have regression of y on x. It is regression of y on x. It is used to predict y from x. And then you have regression of x on y. It is used to predict x from y. So we are looking at the regression lines. We have regression of y on x, and it is used to predict y from x. Its formula is y is a plus bx. We have regression of y on x. This one is used to predict x on y, or it is used to predict x from y. The formula is x is a plus by. Then let's also look at regression coefficients. Regression coefficient measures the rate of change. We have positive coefficient. Positive coefficient. Positive coefficient. This is like this. This is 0, not O. B is greater than 0. It indicates a positive relationship. Indicates a positive relationship. Example indicates a positive relation. Example, income and expenditure. Then you have negative coefficient. Negative coefficient, this one is like this. B is less than 0. Negative coefficient indicates an inverse relationship. Example, price and demand. Price and demand. Then another thing that I want us to look at today is coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination is denoted by capital R squared. To be small r squared, small r na small r squared, si ndio? Sasa tuko na capital R squared. Definition: the coefficient of determination shows the proportion of variation in the dependent variable explained by the independent variable. The coefficient of determination shows the proportion of variation in the dependent variable explained by the independent variable. Formula: capital R squared is equals to small r, where small r is what? Correlation coefficient. So when you want to get capital R squared, you just calculate what? The correlation coefficient. R squared is R, where R is correlated. Yeah. So an example, if R is 0.8, R squared itakuwa ni squared, which is 0. Yeah. Or 64%. So if you are taught to interpret, how will you interpret it? Interpretation: 64% of changes in Y are explained by X. So 64% of the changes that we can see here today, they are because of what? X. And the other 36%, 36 nimetoa minus 100. The other one is caused by other factors. Assumptions of linear regression. 1. Linear relationship exists. 2. Variables are quantitative. Number 3. Observations are independent. Number 4. Errors are random. Number 5. Variance of errors is constant. Number 6. No extreme outliers. There is no numbers that are beyond. Yeah. Advantages of regression analysis. Advantages of regression analysis. 1. Useful for forecasting. Another one, assist decision making. Number 2, assist decision making. Number 3, measures strength of relationships. Number 4, easy interpretations. Number 5, useful in research. Limitations of regression analysis. Based on historical data. Two, cannot prove causation. Three, affected by extreme values. 4 assumes linearity. Number 5, forecasts may be inaccurate. If conditions change. Forecasts may be inaccurate if conditions change. Application of regression analysis. Business. Under business, you can put sales forecasting, 2 cost estimation, and 3 profit planning. Sales forecasting, cost estimation, profit planning. Another application is economics. Demand analysis, consumption studies. And income forecasting. Another area of application is agriculture. Rainfall and crop yield analysis. In agriculture, you also operate in fertilizer effectiveness studies. Education. Another area of application. Study habits and performance analysis. And the last area of application is finance. In finance, you have risk analysis and also investment forecasting. So that is all we have in correlation and regression analysis.